T here and welcome to the video. Did you know I'm giving away a GoPro Hero 7 Black? To enter, all you have to do is send me an email, subscribe to my channel, and tell me your YouTube username and your name, and you are entered to win. A lot of you guys have included a personal message along with your email with your information, and I really do appreciate that. There's a lot of you guys who have given me lots of support, lots of encouraging words, and they mean a lot to me. So I'm really happy that you guys like my channel, and I'll keep the videos coming, and I appreciate the support. The drawing will be after July 28th when the contest ends, and you could be the winner of this new GoPro. So send me an email, subscribe to my channel, and hope you win. Alright guys, today is Independence Day, so happy 4th of July to all you people out there in America. I hope that you guys are enjoying your freedom and celebrating responsibly, and I wish I could be there with you guys to celebrate. Alright guys, today I'm going to put the Roush back into my Roush Mustang. What do I mean by that? Well, when I got this car, either the dealership or the previous owner had peeled the Roush labels off of the windshield, and the Roush sticker is no longer there. I don't know who did it or why, but I'm going to be putting it back on today to make it look like it did when it came out of the factory. A little background on this car if you don't know. This car was a repossession, and I bought it off of eBay from Virginia. I had it shipped to Germany, and last year I picked it up from customs, and I ran out of gas on the Autobahn as I was driving it home. They shipped it with no fuel, and I got on the Autobahn. I got a mile down the road from customs, and it died on me. There is a video on that on my YouTube channel, and it's the first one that I ever did. And this car is what kicked off my YouTube channel. I've had a lot of fun with it too, and I've done some videos on the car. So if you want to look at my car videos on my website, you'll see some videos with this car. And I do plan on doing some more with it in the future. I've been neglecting it because you guys have been loving my bike so much. And the bikes have been getting the views, so that's what I've been concentrating on. But today I'm going to do a Roush video. I'm going to put on the Roush logo, and I also have my VAVA dash cam that I bought for this car a couple months ago. I haven't put it in yet, so today I'm going to put the VAVA dash cam in, so I have one in this car and one in the Jeep. Alright, since I've already cleaned this, next step is going to be to just wash it with alcohol and get any residual grease or dirt off. So just like on the motorcycle, we're going to spray it with the soapy solution of water. It's got water and 2 drops of soap in it. And I'm going to get it wet so I can put the sticker on, and it won't stick until I'm ready to stick it. Alright, so I got that wet. Now I'm going to spray some on my hands so I can work with the product. And this is my Roush logo. And the first thing I'm going to do is just peel it back. Alright, so I can't reach the other side of the car, so I'm just going to do that. And slide it over. Alright, let me come to the other side. Okay, I'm just going to reapply some water to this to keep it wet. Alright, now I'm just going to line it up with the windshield. Alright, so I got it in the position that I want. Now I'm just going to use my squeegee and work out the air bubbles and get it to stick. Okay, now on this side I'm going to do the same thing. Work it nice and smooth towards the edge. Alright, now I'm just going to work all the water off and being careful not to damage the letters. Alright, now I'm making sure that I squeegee all the letters to make sure that they stick. I want to make sure that it sticks well. Alright, I think that should be good. Now I'm just going to let it dry a little bit. I'll wash my windshield in the meantime of the mess that I made. Alright, I'm going to let that sit for a couple minutes and dry, and while I'm waiting for that, I'll put in the dash cam and get that ready. Alright, so with the dash cam you get the mount, which is magnetic. It sticks to the camera with a magnet. And you get the camera, obviously. This is a cigarette lighter adapter. I'm not sure I need this. I think my car has a USB port that does power, so we'll see. And you get this nice long cable that reaches from the camera all the way around and into the dash and into the power accessory. So that should be good. And you also get this one-touch button for capturing videos or photos. If there's something you want to capture, you can hit the button real quick. And it comes with tabs and mounts for sticking to the windshield. Alright, first thing I gotta do is install the memory card. I got a 128 gigabyte SanDisk memory card that I'm gonna put in here. You just open this rubber flap here, and it goes right there. So you stick that in, and you just push. Alright, once you close the rubber flap, you're ready to go to the next step. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just connect the power cord and then mount it to the windscreen. And before I mount it up, I'm just going to peel off all the protective tape. Alright, I'm going to go right underneath my rear view mirror. I like to go around my mirror once just to hold it in. And then this camera you can turn if you want to face it another direction. So you want to leave enough slack in the cable so you can do that. Alright, now I'm just going to start tucking the cable up into the headliner. The camera kit does come with this little plastic tool to help tuck the cable. So I'm using this to help pry it down a little bit so I can squeeze the cable in. And then when you reach the corner of the windshield, you have to peel off the sticky for the GPS antenna and stick the GPS antenna to the windshield. And now I'm just working the cable towards the front of the car. Alright, so I got the cable tucked into the footwell. Now I just got to run it across and get it to some power. Alright, since my Mustang has only one USB port, I'm going to use that port for my phone and the Android Auto. So I'm going to use the supplied power adapter for the VAVA dash cam. Alright, last thing I got to do is just mount this button. I'm going to put it right there in between the cup holders. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, I'm just going to stick it right here like this. And press down. Alright guys, the dash cam went in pretty easily, and I was able to pinch the wire through most of the gaps. Good thing Mustang have big gaps and not little gaps like BMWs do. So I was able to just tuck the wires in and get it in there, and it's all mounted up and ready to go. Now I just got to peel this off and see how this came out. Alright, so I'm just going to go slow so I don't peel up the letters. Alright, so the left side of the R started to come up a little bit. So I'm just going to push that back down with my squeegee. And I'll try to hold it while I peel this away. Okay, underneath is still a little bit wet from when I used my solution. So I have to be very careful when I take this up. I'm just going slow and just trying not to rush it. The last thing you want to do is screw up these letters. Won't look right at all. Alright, so my O came up a little bit, so I'm just re-wetting it, and it's actually naturally taking the spot where it should be. Alright, so I'm going to put this back over it. Alright, so far I was able to salvage it. Doesn't look too bad. I'm going to continue on to the other side. Alright guys, it's done, and it looks like it came out great. It looks like it came from the factory with its Roush emblem on the top. So now the car is back to the way it came, and I'm happy with it. It looks good. And I'm just going to pull the car out into the sun and let it dry a little bit, and let it bake on these letters. It was a little bit nerve-wracking to peel up that tape, and the letters started to come up with it a little bit. You just have to go slow and use some more water, and make sure you get it nice and flat. And just go slow and don't try to rush it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you want to win that GoPro, be sure to send me an email and follow the instructions in the description below. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks!